In this chapter, we shall discuss the important concept of conditional probability of an event given that another event has occurred, Bayes' theorem, multiplication rule of probability and independence of events, random variable and its probability distribution, the mean and variance of probability distribution, and the important discrete probability distribution called binomial distribution. Conditional probability. Consider the experiment of tossing 3 fair coins. The sample space of this experiment is head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, and tail, tail, tail. The probability of each sample point is 1 by 8. Let E be the event, at least 2 heads appear, and F be the event, first coin shows tail. Then E is equal to set of H, 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 where H is head, H, H, T, T is tail, H, T, H, and T, H, H, and F is equal to T, H, H, T, H, T, 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 H, and T, T, T. Now, probability of E is equal to half and probability of F is also half. And we know E intersection F is equals to tail, head, head. Therefore, the probability of E intersection F is 1 by 8. Now, suppose we are given that the first coin shows tail, that is, F occurs. Then, what is the probability of occurrence of E? This information reduces our sample space from the set S to its subset F for the event E. Therefore, the sample point of F which is favorable to the event E is THH. Thus, probability of E considering F as the sample space is equal to 1 by 4, or probability of E given that the event F has occurred is 1 by 4. This probability of the event E is called the conditional probability of E given that F has already occurred, and it is denoted by P of E given F. Therefore, P of E given F is equals to 1 by 4. One can observe that the elements of F which favor the event E are the common elements of E and F, that is, the sample points of E intersection F. Therefore, probability of E given F is equal to number of elementary events favorable to E intersection F divided by number of elementary events which are favorable to F. Definition. If E and F are 2 events associated with the sample space of a random experiment, the conditional probability of the event E given that F has occurred, that is, probability of E given F is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F provided probability of F is not equal to 0. Let E and F be events of a sample space S of an experiment. Then we have probability of S given F is equal to probability of F given F, which is equal to 1. If A and B are any 2 events of a sample space S and F is an event of S such that probability of F is not equal to 0, then P of A union B given F is equal to P of A given F plus P of B given F minus P of A intersection B given F. When A and B are disjoint events, then P of A intersection B given F is equal to 0. Therefore, probability of A union B given F is equal to probability of A given F plus probability of B given F. Probability of E complement given F is equal to 1 minus probability of E given F.